Oh, look, a person. What do you like there, mate?
What have we got here? It's a new printer.
Good,
And it's
good.
even got wheels. Why don't we have a look at this amazing security system that we have holding it in place? Well, why don't we have a look down the back here to see what's keeping it in place? Let's see here. There's a tray. Oh, tray comes out. Network cable, don't need that. Power, got one of those at home. Close that. That's great. We'll just flick off the wheel locks. And, here we go. Let's, yeah.
Call your own.
1 second there. Just, let me get this and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Wave as you, that's it. Wave, wave.
Oh no.
Oh, that's fine.